Very good morning, my dear students. Today we discuss about nuclear power plant. This is one of the conventional energy sources. It's the last topic of Unit 3. Previous class we discussed about what is the conventional energy resources, and then later we discuss about the thermal and hydel power plant, working principle and other disadvantages. Today we discuss about nuclear power plant. Same procedure. What is the component? What is the advantages and disadvantages? The world production of electricity through nuclear power. Electricity production 2020. We can use more than 65% of fossil fuel. It's oil and coal and gases. Nuclear only is 70%. Among the 70%, more than 80% are produced by the France. Next, America and then Russia. India is a very less as compared than and other country. We are very familiar with the coal type electrical power production and then hydroelectric power production. We are a very beginning state in the nuclear power production. Before going discussion, we discuss about introduction. Nuclear power plant works similar with thermal power plant. What is the difference? It's highly essential. The difference between the two, there's a thermal and nuclear power plant, is a fuel we can use to heat the water in the boiler. Thermal power plant. In the nuclear power plant, the energy released by the nuclear fission in the core of reactor, we can use that heat energy. The example is given as 1 kilogram of uranium can produce the energy equal to 4,500 tons of high grade variety of coal. What is high grade variety of coal? We can use anthracite coal. It is possible to produce 4,500 tons, and 200 tons of oil. We can use the oil. It is almost equal to 2,000 tons. So it is reduced the less, and also it give more and unbelievable energy from the uranium power plant. So nuclear fuel is any material that can be consumed to derive the nuclear energy. We can use any type of nuclear fuel. Mostly we can use neptunium, uranium and plutonium. It is the most popular. India we can use the uranium-235. The most common type of nuclear fuel is the fissile element that can be made of undergo nuclear fission, chain reaction in the nuclear reactor. Then only it is possible to continuously give energy. It is a nuclear chain reaction. At a initial state we need 1 neutron. After it's filled up, there is produced n number of neutrons. With the help of a neutron, we can split nuclei in two separate and stable atoms. It is called nuclear fission. What is a chain reaction? Chain reaction is continuously done the reaction. The type of reaction is called chain reaction. So uranium one type of isotope. What is the isotope? It is possible to ask 2 mark. All the isotopes given element give the same number of protons. Kindly note it, same number of proton, but different from number of neutron in each atom. So same number of proton, different each atom is called isotopes. And the nucleus of atom uranium is split into the two with a neutron released and hit another atom, then is split in further. So many energy released each time of atom split is called a chain reaction. You can write what is the chain reaction, the last para. when the nucleus of atom of uranium split, the neutron released hit another atom and split them in 10. It should be continuously doing. More energy is released each time of atom split. This type of process is called chain reaction. It is a diametrical presentation of a chain reaction. Fission fragment is a stable atom. The moderator, we can use heavy water. The water, what is the purpose of moderator? It should be slow the reaction. Now the generally speed of neutron is a 10 power 7 meter per second. It should be reduced. The atom split with only high speed of neutron hit the element, then only it is possible to atom split. Suppose slow speed means it is not able to split the atom. So what is a nuclear fission? When the neutron strike an atom of uranium, then uranium is split two lighter atoms and then heat energy is released simultaneously. It is called nuclear fission. Fission of heavy element is an exothermic reaction. What is the exothermic reaction? When the reaction is happened, the heat energy released from that reaction. The type of chemical reaction is called exothermic reaction, which can release large amount of energy, both electromagnetic radiation as well as kinetic energy of the fragment. It is a highly important parameter. What is the requirement? The neutron is emitted in the fission should have adequate energy can cause of fusion of another nuclei. The production number of neutron must be able not only to sustain the fission process, should be able to increasing rate of fission. It is the main advantage as well as some drawback. Suppose we are increasing the fission rate, it is possible to create bomb. So avoid this, it is possible to reduce the speed or rate of the fission. We can use the moderator. The process must be liberation of energy, huge amount of energy. It must able to control the rate of fission by the moderator. Without moderator, it is like a bomb. We can use the moderator. It is a nuclear power plant. And then another one to mark what is the critical mass. The minimum quantity of fuel or mass of any specific reactor system is called critical mass. It is a minimum quantity of fuel or minimum quantity of uranium that is in nuclear power plant. It is called a fuel. Bottom side give the reaction. What will be happen? It should be produced around 200 mega electric volt. It is one of the main advantage. You can write it. Suppose it is possible to ask chemical reaction, we can able to write it. It is a schematic diagram of the nuclear power plant. Before going session, you must understand what is the component. The reactor and then water pump, hot water, bottom side cold water, steam generator, turbine, electrical generator, and then it is a condenser. Bottom side another on water. It is a high pressure side water pump. We can use here. Before it have two circuit. Primary loop circuit. It have a reactor and then boiler, pump, and secondary loop. It is also have steam generator, turbine, condenser, and then another pump. You can write it the two separate circuit, two separate title, and then list out the component. What are the component? It is a nuclear fuel. It is a nuclear fuel we can use as a uranium. Fuel rod. The fuel is stored small amount of packet in the fuel rod, and then we can use a control rod. It is assembled one rod. It is a control rod. It is absorb the neutrons. Commonly use of control rod made by the cadmium and boron. It have the high sealed and absorb capacity as compared to another material with a high rate of absorption capability. Here we can use a moderator. Generally moderator we can use heavy water. It should be reduce the speed of electron. And the nuclear reflector to prevent the leakage of neutron to the outside. It is a fuel rod. It is containing nuclear fuel of uranium-235. It is surrounded by the water or graphite. So slow down the fuel rod. And then control rod. It is nothing but it move up and down. Suppose move inside, the rate of reaction should be reduced. It is move outside, the rate of reaction will be increased. All the movement reactor, all move in, the reactor should be shut down. The control rod is made of boron and cadmium to absorb the neutrons. And then turbine. Turbine, we are already discussed about turbine many classes. The turbine is produce electricity energy. Steam, we have the steam from this steam generator. Turbine should be converted by steam thermal energy into the electrical energy with the help of a generator. We have the two separate water system. In the reactor side we have the hot water, and the secondary side we have the normal water. As a steam generator, carry out the energy from the reactor with the help of reactor. Generally the energy released in the fission heat of the water around the reactor. That we have the hot water. The hot water come inside the steam generator. The steam generator already have normal water. It should be increasing the heat. The water should be converted to steam. We can use to convert the electrical energy. It is classified two types. The pressurized water reactor. It is a water circuit. It has the two circuits. We already discussed. That is it is a pressurized water reactor. It has two circuits. It has two circuits. One is the primary circuit, another one is the secondary circuit. You can draw primary circuit. What is the component? The thermal shield, the core reactor, hot coolant, pressure equalizer, coolant pump. And second side you can write the steam generator, steam turbine, generator, exhaust gas, cooling water is nothing but the condenser. We can use the cooling tower to cool the water, and then feed pump. Working principle same as we are discussed few minutes. It has advantage, disadvantage. We can use two type of water. Water used is a reactor. It is cheap and easily available. The reactor is compact and power density also high. It has some disadvantage. Capital cost is high as compared than another one type. It is another one type. It is a simple circuit. It has some advantage, disadvantage. What is a nuclear fission? It's possible to ask another 2 marks. It is a nuclear get together to form a heavier energy, to form a heavy molecule. That time also reduce the energy. As an example, we can form a helium with the help of hydrogen atoms. It is possible to ask 2 more questions and then 6 more questions. Thank you for watching. You can ask any type of questions in